Revolution Marketing Solutions. Internet marketing solutions and SEO made easy in Andover. Search engine optimization for small business looking to dominate their local market. Get ranking and results. The #1 spot on Google search results gets 85% of the traffic. If your business website is buried on page 2 and beyond, you might as well not even have one. Not sure where you rank? Contact us today for a quick consultation. We will perform a free website audit and let you know what needs improvement. How we do it? With consistent maintenance. Without consistent maintenance, page submission, and continuous tweaking of your site, most search engines will drop your ranking for not having enough relevant content and being a leader in your field. We understand the search engine algorithms and will do this for you on a quarterly, monthly, and/or daily basis. We have many ways to get your site optimized and ranking quickly. Website design. Website design has moved leaps and bounds in the past few years. There are many factors your site will be judged upon by search engines. Additionally, it must be mobile compliant. Almost everyone searches local and national companies from their smartphone. If your site is not optimized for mobile devices, you could be missing out on all of potential customers and sales. Search engine optimization. All of companies out there say they can SEO your website. We keep our circle small and our clients happy with measurable results and reporting. So you can see what we do and how it's benefiting you and your company. And guess what? We answer the phones when you call. You are our client, we are responsive and always available. Lead generation. We will help your company generate more leads. More leads equals more sales. Let us do the lifting and you do the selling. We can help you optimize your site for more lead generation, or we can build some lead generating sites with our technology and send you the leads. On-page optimization. On-page optimization is what search engines look for: plenty of relevant content. From the number of actual words on pages, embedded videos, proper use of different HTML tags, spelling errors and more. We have a staff of writers always writing new and fresh content we can add to your existing site, giving you the best possible on-page optimization. Other services we offer. We provide 100% white glove work and monthly reporting on all changes and progress. Backlinks. White glove backlinks can be one of the most powerful forms of SEO. If you do not have any strong high trust flow links coming to your site, you will likely stay on page 10. We only use strong links with high trust flow, and we always fly under the radar as to not have any spikes in backlinking strategy. We never outsource to foreign countries to get instant links. The search engines see this and you could be penalized for doing this, only hurting your rankings even more. Social media. We have a department that can manage all of your social media and online reputation. We can run ad campaigns while working on getting your pages ranked to give a spike in leads or just to back up an existing ad. We can also manage your posting activity. Everyone seems to have at least Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. As a small business, this can be hard to manage. Let us go to work for you and let you worry about all your new customers. Press release. We have an in-house team of writers and publishers that can make your company stand out from the crowd by using press releases. If you're launching a new product or service, maybe a new employee, we can write some 2.0 pages and have them sent to our list of over 500 media sources. This will bring all of attention and relevance to your website, giving you more trust as an authority in your field of business. Local relevance networks. Part of what we do is build small, sometimes large blog pages about your business. We then link them with our sites that have all of trust flow and good search engine metrics. This will help hold you at the top of the rankings. Citations. Citations could be one of the most important things when it comes to being recognized by search engines. As part of our service, we get hundreds of correct and done right citations for your business. Google My Business and Bing My Business are just of the major players in the citations field. Our team will get you squared away so that when the search engines crawl, they see that everything is connected properly. You'll be in good hands with our team. Get in touch. We're here to help you 7 days a week and respond within 24 hours. Contact us today at 978-465-7800.